Unfreeze Your Comcast TV, Step-by-Step Guide.
Hello, folks. Today, we're going to tackle an issue that can be frustrating, a frozen or stuck channel on your Comcast TV. But don't worry, it's not as daunting as it sounds. In this video, we'll walk you through some easy steps that you can take to fix this problem and get back to watching your favorite shows without interruption.
Is your Comcast TV really frozen?
Sometimes, it might just be that your TV is on a paused screen, or you're experiencing a minor glitch. So, before we jump into the more complex steps, let's do a quick check. Press some buttons on your remote control, such as the volume or channel buttons. If these are working, your TV isn't frozen, it's likely just the specific channel that's stuck. Change to another channel and then switch back. If the original channel is still frozen, then you know the problem isn't with the TV in general.
Restart your Comcast TV box.
A common solution for many tech problems is to restart the device. The same goes for your Comcast TV box. To restart your box, 1. Press the A button on your Comcast Xfinity remote. 2. Scroll and select Restart. 3. Confirm your selection by choosing Restart Again. 4. Your TV box will turn off, pause for a few moments, and then start back up. This process usually takes 5 to 7 minutes. Remember to avoid unplugging your box while it's restarting.
Check your cables.
If restarting your TV box doesn't fix the issue, your next step is to check the cables connecting your TV and Comcast box. Make sure all cables are securely plugged into the correct ports. Loose or incorrect connections can often be the culprit. If a cable seems damaged, replace it.
Reset your Comcast TV box.
If the issue persists, it's time to reset your Comcast TV box. 1. Press the Xfinity button on your remote. 2. Use the left arrow button to highlight Settings, the gear icon, and press OK. 3. Scroll down and select Help. 4. Select Reset Comcast Box, and follow the prompts to complete the reset. Remember, resetting your Comcast TV box will take a few minutes, and you shouldn't unplug your box during this process. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you should be able to solve the issue of a frozen or stuck channel on your Comcast TV. Remember, if all else fails, you can always reach out to Comcast's customer support for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your glitch-free viewing.